In primetime news this evening, bad decision. Most Jamaicans say reopening ports to tourists was a bad idea. The findings of the RGR Gleaner Don Anderson polls. Election jitters. JLP candidate selection in St. Anne causing uproar. And election and international relations. U.S. ambassador to Jamaica comments ahead of upcoming elections. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and also online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day: sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our feedback question this evening: what measures would you like to be implemented at polling stations on election day in light of the COVID-19 pandemic?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.
News headlines brought